Let us look at the next section, students. This section contains two matrix match the column type questions. Entries given in column 1 may be matched to one or more entries given in column 2. So let's start with question number 36. So in column 1 we have been given polymers, and in column 2 we have been given the monomers or the type of polymerization. So students, we can probably start with the entries given in column 2. So in the option P we have 1,3-butadiene and we have acrylonitrile. So students, we know that 1,3-butadiene and acrylonitrile, they polymerize to give us buna N. Okay. So A will be matched with P. If we talk about condensation polymer, the condensation polymers out of these given are nylon 6, nylon 6,6 and dacron. So we can have Q match with B, C and D. If we talk about caprolactam, caprolactam is a cyclic structure. When it is allowed to undergo polymerization, it gives us nylon 6. So B will be matched with R as well. If you talk about adipic acid and hexamethylene diamine, these are the monomers for nylon 6,6. So adipic acid, when it is allowed to undergo condensation polymerization with hexamethylene diamine, it forms nylon 6,6. So C will be matched with Q and S. And if you talk about the last option, terephthalic acid and ethane 1,2-diol, which is also ethylene glycol. So terephthalic acid and ethylene glycol, they polymerize to give us terylene or dacron. So dacron is given correctly in the D option. The D option will be matched with D. So students, the correct matching for this question is this. Let us look at the next question. Question number 37. So in column 1 we have been given some name reactions, and in column 2 we have been given the intermediate or the product. So let us talk about the Curtius rearrangement first. So we have RCON3. So when this is allowed to heat, there is a loss of N2 and the acyl nitrine is formed, although it is not isolated. Now this nitrine undergoes rearrangement. The lone pairs attack here and the R group shifts onto the nitrogen, leading to the formation of isocyanide. And at last this is hydrolyzed in the acidic or the basic medium to give us a primary amine. So if we talk about the name reaction given in option A, which is the Curtius rearrangement, it shall be matched with isocyanate, it shall be matched with primary amine, it shall be matched with nitrine as well. So A shall be matched with P, Q and R. If we talk about the reaction given in option B, we have Hofmann bromamide degradation. So we have an amide RCONH2, which is allowed to react with Br2 in presence of base. Now what this base does is it will go and extract the acidic hydrogen, and the negative charge on nitrogen will further attack the Br2 molecule, leading to the formation of RCONHBr. Now what happens is this OH minus will now extract the second acidic hydrogen which is present. So this will lead to the formation of RCONBr minus. Now the Br minus will leave, leading to the formation of nitrine again. And then further the same steps will follow as we had discussed before. The lone pair over nitrogen will attack on this carbonyl carbon, and the alkyl group will shift on the nitrogen, leading to the formation of isocyanate again. The isocyanate form will undergo hydrolysis again to give us the primary amine. So if we talk about matchings of option B, we're going to have the formation of isocyanate, we're going to have a primary amine again, and we are going to have the formation of a nitrine. So the matching of option B will also be P, Q and R, like the A option. If I talk about the third reaction now, we have pinacol rearrangement, we have vicinal tertiary glycols reacting with an acid to give us a ketone. So there is no formation of isocyanate, there is no formation of amine, there is no formation of nitrene, there is no formation of unsaturated acid, there is only the formation of a carbocation out of these given options. So the correct matching with option C will be only T. Now if we talk about the D option, which is the Perkin reaction, so in the Perkin reaction we have the reaction of benzaldehyde with acetic anhydride in presence of sodium acetate, followed by hydrolysis to give us the cinnamic acid, which is the alpha beta unsaturated acid which is formed. So if we look at the options which are given to us, so D will be matched with only S, which is the alpha beta unsaturated acid. Other intermediates or product are not formed in this reaction. So students, the correct matching with option D is option S. So this is the correct matching for question number 37. Let us look at the next section, students.